This lake looks completely fake, but it's 100% real, welcomingly mysterious pink lake. From above, the contrast is unbelievable. Bright pink water on one side and the blue ocean on the other. The most incredible part: the water stays pink even when you collect it in a bottle. Scientists believe tiny microorganisms and salt-loving algae create this magical color, but nature still keeps some of its secrets. This hidden wonder is one of the rarest natural lakes on Earth, attracting travelers from around the world. Would you believe this place exists if you saw it in a photo? Follow for more unbelievable places around the world.